Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Dodge Challenger in Need for Speed Unbound Easy Guide. Start by opening the garage, locate the Challenger special entry, and accept the challenge immediately. Focus on the primary objective, use nitrous wisely, and finish the race cleanly to claim the car. Save before attempting harder events and retry until you secure a top finishing position for the unlock. Set up for success by tuning your car to balance speed and control, then pick events that reward precision and speed points. Practice the track to learn braking markers and ideal drift angles, and focus on clean lines to avoid time penalties. Use small nitrous bursts to shave seconds without losing control, and upgrade parts progressively so you meet event requirements and maintain a steady improvement curve toward unlocking the Challenger. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I'm using the Kindle Paperwhite off camera, and it's great for reading while waiting between races, so check the description for the link and other deals. This is a casual tip, but worth it for relaxed downtime, and thanks again for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Many players rush events and burn nitrous too early, which hurts overall performance and risking crashes that cost unlock progress. Prioritize upgrades that affect handling and braking when facing tight courses, and always run a practice lap to memorize corners and obstacles. If you fail an event, review mistakes, adjust tuning, and try again calmly, because steady, focused attempts yield better rewards than frantic retries and random setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.